Hey guys, what's going on today? Today's a goofy video, but it's a good one nonetheless. This is actually, go ahead and say hi to the star of this film today. This is Coco. Say hi, Coco. So anyway, Coco is she's a little Pomeranian. She's got some bad knees. That's just how they are when they come in a teacup version like that. They just end up getting in bad patellas and stuff. They end up popping off. So one of the reasons that I say that just because this video is actually pet stairs right there or a pet ramp. The ramp was a goofy purchase. I actually found it. It's some doctor company. I can't remember what the name was, but I actually got it from Kohl's. And I used some of my Kohl's cash to buy it. So it was like $150. That was ridiculous. I would have never spent that. But I couldn't believe it. Oh, there she goes. There's one version of it. But anyway, I got her ball, so she might be letting us know a little bit of how angry she is. But this was one of the things that we bought her. We grew up with her having the stairs that she always would take, and she really, honestly, kind of prefers the stairs. If you, when she just wants to go slow, but obviously when she wants to come up and down really fast, whether it be running to get the ball or running to get whatever it is that we put up on the bed. So if at night when she just kind of moseys up, she actually just walks up the stairs. I think it's just something that she grew up with, and she really just kind of has a comfort factor with the stairs. The ramp, like I said, is more of a fast way. So I've got her favorite ball in my pocket. That's why she's just giving me some nice, pretty stairs there. But we'll actually throw it up on the bed, and we'll see what she actually does. I'll think about it, and she goes up the stairs nice and slow. Like I said, that's her methodical way of actually doing it. It's just real nice and slow. But let's go ahead and let's have it throw it down real quick. And you can see she takes the cheat route, and she'll actually come over here and jump down the stairs. But anyway, let's see if I can give you guys the tag name. It's actually Doctors Foster and Smith is the company that did that, and they could say she wants to use the stairs again. It's just one of the things. We all love our pets. We all do everything we can for them. This is one of those goofy things that we've done for her. There's preferring the steps as always. But like I said, what I do like about the ramp is that it's configurable. Whatever word you want to use there. You can actually, it's got Velcro, as you can obviously see. The thing that we were able to actually do with this, as you can see, we actually L'd it to the bed so that we don't trip over it. Obviously, no one wants to wake up in the middle of the night and trip over this or have to worry about it. But you can set it up, like that. You can L it to the other side of the Velcro over here. You can split it apart. One thing we do like to do, a lot of times we'll travel with this small one and actually let her, whether in the hotels or not. That way she can actually have one, and then she'll still have this other one when we're at home. She can always have this. But we do this. I do this at the edge of the bed, really, because I like the stairs here, only because if I take this away and this is all she has, it's like having a railing on a stairs. You just don't feel comfortable with it, right? I could see where she's, whether it's in the middle of the night or not, she could come down this spot and, maybe, fall off that side or just not use it very right. So a lot of times, we used to always have them put up here on the side of the bed. And so what that would actually do is, we actually always had it like this, is what way we always had it, just because that way it just feels a little bit better, right? I mean, I know it's the same idea, but nonetheless, she's got to come directly down versus trying to, if you had it, but why I say that is because it's kind of a tripping hazard when you get up in the middle of the night. But if you did on this side, again, you still have that same issue where she's got to come straight down and then she's got to L it on over. She's you see, she was really hesitant, but she was able to do it just fine. But none one of those things that I just we cater our pets to do and be as comfortable as they can. I just don't like that, so that's why I always kind of made it. And of course we had both. We had the stairs and the ramp, so we just kind of do both right there, so she feels comfortable with it. And yeah, there she goes. I'm glad she's able to show you guys what it's actually like. But one of those things. I think the stairs. I think it's an Animal Planet version. We bought it from Bed Bath & Beyond. I think that was around $40, maybe $50. Of course, go in there with that 20% coupon though, and get you a steal on that baby. But anyway, Obviously, if they didn't grow up with stairs, they're probably not going to like the stairs. They might get, be a little bit more prone to use the ramp. You can see in this video how many times she really went over the stairs versus the ramp. It was an idea that I thought would really work for her, and I hope that she would have used. Obviously, she does use it, just not in the manner I really thought she would. So, we keep both around, and hope you guys are able to decide what you actually like or what you actually prefer to use. But I just figured it was a fun, goofy video. I figured I'd show you guys and show it in the act of what she likes to use. And, if you got a bigger dog, you obviously may not need this, but for us little small dog owners, we definitely need something to help them get up into bed or wherever they like to be, on the couch or wherever. But hope you guys liked it. As always, feel free to comment, like, subscribe to us. Doing a video a day for a year, show you guys, take you guys along the YouTube journey with me, show you guys how hard or how easy it might be to actually start making some money this way. It's proven a little bit harder than I actually thought with our new improvements, but anyway, still having fun doing this, coming up with the ideas, things that I like to do, or things that I like that make my life a little bit easier. Hope it makes your life a little bit easier as well, and can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Anyway, have a good one, guys, and can't wait to see you guys.